In this video I'm gonna show you a top 10 channels on YouTube that you can start making money without even showing your face, and these niches are also one of the highest paid on YouTube. So based on my researches, I have made the 3 key points in order to find channels that are highly paid and also with a high search volume. And these channels need to have these 3 things. The first is that topic needs to have a volume of more than 100,000 searches per month, as well as possibility of gaining millions of views. The second key point is to have a high CPM niche. And the third key point is to have other monetization options. That way you can expand your earnings. So the first niche is the health niche. It is averaging about $15 per 1,000 views. And the first channel that you can make is gaining muscle. This is an example. It's called Body Hub. It is having a bit more than 1 million subscribers, and their videos is having millions of views. And if you check their videos, they're having some stock footages with some text on it and maybe a voiceover. They're not showing their face, and even that, they're gaining millions of views. And this is a topic that everybody is searching, everybody is interested in their health. So if you go to stats, you can see that they're having little bit over 1 million views. And if you want to do a quick math, if you take that million views and you can divide it by 1000 and then multiply it by the amount of CPM they're getting, which is 15, they're generating around $15,000 per month passively just from the AdSense alone. This is another example in the health niche. It is called Bestie and it's about losing weight. And again, they're having millions of views and they're using just some stock footages and some animation explanation with some text over the videos. Basically, you can type any of these titles in Google and search for any blogs and copy and paste your script. It's gonna be ready. You can give it to a voiceover actor and they can record the voice for you. You can also see they're pulling 5.5 million views per month. Multiplied by the CPM, it's gonna be around $70,000 per month just passively. The next 3 niches is gonna be about wealth, on which CPM is between $30 and $50. The first niche is making money online, and this is a channel example of Bronson Tay. He's having a video that are generating hundreds of thousands of views, and when you're checking his videos you can see that he's using just a screen recorder. You can use a OBS and do a voiceover while doing it, and also some stock footages which you can get for free from Pexels or Pixabay. For example, if you're having that kind of channel, you can go to pexels.com. You can type, let's say, money if you're in the finance niche, or make money online niche. You can type on videos and then you can look for some video that you can use it as a b-roll and have a text over that video footage or have a voiceover over it. Or if your channel is about cars, you can type for a car and use it as a stock footage just to make that video you're making much more engaging. The next channel idea is about investing, and it's also in the wealth niche, which is around $30 to $50 of CPM. This is Chris Invest. He's having just 100,000 subscribers. He's already having a video that is reaching million views, also following with others that are having hundreds of thousands of views. And he's just using a whiteboard software for explanation of what he's saying during the video. When I go to the stats, you can see that he's generating 181,000 views per month. And next channel in the wealth niche is about luxury. This is also a really high paying niche, which is getting between 30 and 50 CPM per 1,000 views. Like this channel, King Luxury, is having some stock footages or some videos from events that are on expensive things, and that's why he's getting a high CPM. He's also generating millions of views on every video. If you want to make that kind of channel, you can also go in Pexels on Pixabay, and you can just type luxury, or you can type a supercar or whatever you want to see. In my case, I'm typing luxury, and you can see that I'm having some video stock footages that are from luxury hotels, some villas, some cars, which you can include in your video and put some text over them or record a voiceover. The third topic is the travel niche, and it's being paid by the advertisers around $10 and $20 CPM, which is also pretty high for the average CPM on YouTube. And the first channel I'm showing is Toropia. It is a channel that is making travel guides. 25 places you can go in Europe, 25 places you can go in USA, Europe destinations, America destinations. Basically, there are thousands of ideas that you can make for videos. That way you're never gonna burn out. They're making millions of views and they're using just the stock footages. Also, they're generating just over 4 million views. And on average, they're making at least $10,000 per month, which is just alone from the YouTube AdSense program. Again, if you want to go in that niche, you can go to Pixabay or Pexels, search for a video, type the city or the country, and you can get the stock footages from there. You can just click on them and select free download. There's nothing else you need to do. You can just download it and that's it. You don't need to include anything in your description. The next one is still in the travel niche. It's about travel ideas. This one is called War According to Bridges. And again, it's pulling millions of views on every video. and they're giving to the viewer ideas where they can travel, where is the cheapest, the most expensive, the most dangerous places, and etc. Again, they're using just the stock footages without having to show their faces. And also there are highly searched demand on that. As I already said, they're generating millions of views. They're making between $10 and $20 of CPM for every 1,000 views. They're also having 6 million views this month. If you divide it by 1,000 and multiply it by 15, which is the average CPM, you can see that this channel is making around 90,000 just alone from the YouTube AdSense. Next channel is on Scary Harry, and this niche is about best places to live. Also, he's having millions of views on his videos. He's having videos such as easiest country to retire, highest paying salary countries, most expensive countries, and etc. Again, he's using just the stock footages, he's not showing his face, and anyway, he's getting around $15 per 1,000 views. And when I go to his analytics, you can see that he's making around 1 million views per month. Divided by 1,000, multiplied by 15, and he's getting $15,000 per month, just alone from the YouTube AdSense program. And the last two niches is about technology, and technology on YouTube is paid between $20 and $40 CPM, and the technology channel ideas is the future technology niche. This channel is called Tech Zone, and it's an amazing example. He's also using some stock footages of some new technologies, and he's making a video about it. As well as the other, he's having millions of views in every single one of his videos. And as you can go in his videos, you can preview them and you can see that he's not showing his face. He's using some stock footages, and also he has probably paid someone to do his voiceover. When I go to the stats, you can see that he's pulling 46 million views per month, on which if you divide by 1,000 and multiply by the average CPM for this channel, you can find out he's making more than $500,000 per month. The next one is about technology tutorials. This channel is called Tech Gumbo, and it's basically using OBS to record his screen, and he just explaining some stuff about top 5 video editors for free, top 10 Netflix series, top 10 Netflix original movies, and stuff like that. And again, he's using stock footages and he's not showing his face at all. When I go to the stats, you can see that he's making 1.8 million views per month, and the average CPM is $30. So if you do the math, you can see that he's making well over 10,000 per month. So these are the 4 topics of 10 niches that are best paid in YouTube. I'm gonna quick preview them again. The first one is health related. It's about $15 CPM per 1,000 views, and the niches there is gaining muscle or losing weight. The next topic is about wealth, with average CPM between 30 and 50. 3 niches that you can make about them is make money online, investing, and luxury. The next topic is about travel. You can expect anywhere between 10 and 20 CPM. And 3 niches that you can make around travel is about travel guides, travel ideas, and best places to live. And the last topic is technology niche, which you can expect anywhere between $20 and $40 per 1,000 views. And niche's idea is that you can make a future technology channel or technology tutorial channel. Also, if you click on this video, I'm showing you a step-by-step how you can re-upload movie videos on YouTube and make thousands of dollars every month. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.